In 2024, the U.S. military will unleash a range of cutting-edge weapons that will redefine the battlefield. These cutting-edge weapons range from high-energy lasers to hypersonic missiles to Columbia-class submarines. The U.S. military has stepped up the game with these new military weapons. Number 10. Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense. The Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense System represents a groundbreaking advancement in the U.S. Army's efforts to counter the growing threat of aerial platforms, including drones, rockets, artillery, and mortars. Mounted on Stryker armored vehicles, these 50-kilowatt laser weapon systems are ready to be tested in the dusty conditions of the Middle East, providing the perfect environment to test their effectiveness in wartime conditions. The system leverages cutting-edge directed energy technology to precisely target and neutralize aerial threats without the need for traditional ammunition. This capability reduces the logistical burden associated with conventional munitions and offers unlimited ammo, constrained only by the available power supply on the battlefield. By employing laser energy, the system can engage targets at the speed of light, providing a significant tactical advantage in the dynamic and fast-paced modern battlefield. The development of the system is a critical component of the Army's revamped short-range air defense strategy, which has gained renewed urgency in the wake of the increased use of drones and missile attacks by adversaries in recent conflicts. The system's ability to counter a wide range of aerial threats, from small unmanned aerial vehicles to rotary wing aircraft, makes it a valuable asset against adversaries like Russia and China. As the Army deploys the initial 4 prototypes to the Middle East, the service will gather valuable data on the system's performance, reliability, and adaptability to the harsh environmental conditions. This operational assessment will inform future refinements and the development of additional directed energy weapons, further enhancing the Army's air defense capabilities. Number 9. Next Generation Squad Weapons. The Next Generation Squad Weapons, or NGSW, aims to replace the M4 carbine and M249 light machine gun with more advanced systems. These new weapons feature state-of-the-art fire control systems and use a 6.8mm cartridge, offering increased lethality and range. This upgrade ensures that U.S. soldiers maintain a technological edge on the battlefield. The NGSW and automatic rifles are equipped with sophisticated optics and sensors that provide enhanced targeting capabilities, integrating ballistic computation and environmental sensors to aid soldiers in making accurate shots under various conditions. This advancement in personal weaponry is designed to give U.S. troops a decisive advantage in small arms engagements, ensuring higher hit probabilities and greater effectiveness in combat situations. The addition of advanced suppressors also addresses the need for noise reduction and improved operational stealth, allowing soldiers to operate more discreetly in hostile environments. Number 8. Precision Strike Missile, PRSM. The Precision Strike Missile, or PRSM, is an upgrade over the Army Tactical Missile System. It boasts a long range and improved precision, designed to strike high-value targets deep within enemy territory. This advancement enhances the Army's ability to conduct long-range precision strikes, providing a critical capability to engage strategic targets with minimal collateral damage. The PRSM's extended range enables it to be launched from beyond the reach of enemy air defenses, ensuring the safety of launch platforms while maintaining the element of surprise. This missile system is a cornerstone of the Army's strategy to modernize its artillery capabilities, offering a flexible and precise tool to shape the battlefield in favor of U.S. forces. The ability to engage both fixed and moving targets adds to the versatility of PRSM, making it a crucial asset for offensive and defensive operations. Number 7. Long-Range Hypersonic Weapons. Long-range hypersonic weapons represent a significant leap in missile technology. Traveling at speeds greater than Mach 5, these hypersonic missiles are designed to engage time-sensitive targets from great distances, making them a formidable addition to the U.S. arsenal. Hypersonic weapons are characterized by their ability to maneuver at high velocities, complicating enemy defenses and reducing reaction times. The speed and agility enable it to penetrate advanced air defense systems, reaching critical targets with unprecedented speed and precision. This capability is crucial for neutralizing strategic threats and maintaining a technological edge over potential adversaries developing hypersonic technologies. The development of hypersonic glide vehicles and the integration of advanced materials and propulsion systems are key factors driving the advancement of hypersonic weapons, making them a priority for future military operations. Number 6. Stingray. The MQ-25 Stingray is an unmanned aerial refueling drone developed for the U.S. Navy. It extends the range of carrier-based aircraft, enhancing the operational flexibility and reach of naval aviation. This technology is a game-changer for naval operations, allowing carrier strike groups to project power over greater distances without relying on traditional manned refueling aircraft. The MQ-25's integration into carrier air wings is expected to significantly enhance the endurance and effectiveness of carrier-based operations, enabling sustained air operations in contested environments. The ability to refuel aircraft in mid-air extends the operational range and loiter time of combat jets, providing a critical logistical support capability that enhances the overall effectiveness of naval air power. Additionally, the MQ-25's autonomous capabilities reduce the risk to human pilots and allow for more efficient and flexible refueling operations, contributing to the overall operational efficiency and effectiveness of carrier strike groups. At number 5, the B-21 Raider. The B-21 Raider is the next-generation stealth bomber designed to penetrate advanced air defenses, carrying both conventional and nuclear payloads. Its advanced stealth technologies make it difficult for enemy radars to detect, ensuring air superiority and strategic deterrence. Incorporating a flying saucer design approach, the B-21 minimizes radar cross-section without needing anti-radar treatments, allowing undetected operations in contested airspaces. This design emphasizes advanced materials and integrated electronic warfare systems. The B-21 will replace aging bomber fleets, providing a versatile platform for various missions. Its open systems architecture allows integration of new technologies and payloads, ensuring adaptability to evolving threats. By using mature subsystems, such as the Pratt & Whitney PW9000 turbofan engine, the B-21 reduces risks associated with new technologies. The B-21's design accommodates complex inlets, exhausts, a large weapon bay, and efficient flight above Mach 0.8 while maintaining a low radar cross-section. It resembles the B-2 bomber, but is smaller, with an estimated wingspan of 132 feet, overseen by the Air Force Rapid Capabilities Office. The B-21 leverages low-risk design approaches to ensure reliability and performance. Its ability to operate with other aircraft and systems, like the F-35, enhances operational flexibility and effectiveness. The B-21 Raider represents a significant advancement in stealth bomber technology, providing a highly capable and adaptable platform crucial to the Air Force's modernization efforts and maintaining strategic deterrence and air superiority. Number 4, F-15EX Eagle II. The F-15 Eagle II is an advanced version of the F-15 fighter jet. With upgraded avionics, weapon systems, and increased payload capacity, the F-15EX enhances the U.S. Air Force's air superiority capabilities and ensures dominance in the skies. This aircraft is designed to carry different weapons, including advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. Its upgraded avionics suite includes advanced radar systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and improved situational awareness tools. The F-15EX's enhanced performance characteristics, combined with its ability to integrate with modern sensor networks and battle management systems, make it a formidable platform for maintaining air dominance. This aircraft's versatility and survivability in current air combat environments, the U.S. retains a powerful tool for achieving air superiority. The F-15EX's design also includes provisions for future upgrades and enhancements, ensuring that the aircraft can evolve in response to emerging threats and technological advancements. Number 3, Integrated Visual Augmentation System. The Integrated Visual Augmentation System, or IVAS, is a mixed reality headset designed for soldiers. It provides enhanced situational awareness, navigation, and targeting capabilities using augmented reality, transforming how soldiers perceive and engage the battlefield. The IVAS integrates data from various sensors and systems, projecting critical information directly onto the soldier's field of view. This system includes thermal imaging, night vision, and real-time mapping, allowing soldiers to operate more effectively in diverse environments. The augmented reality interface provides intuitive navigation aids, target identification, and communication capabilities, enabling soldiers to maintain situational awareness and coordinate actions seamlessly. IVAS represents a significant advancement in soldier-worn technology, enhancing individual and unit effectiveness in complex operational scenarios. The development of IVAS also underscores the importance of leveraging cutting-edge technology to increase the capabilities and effectiveness of individual soldiers, ensuring that they are equipped with the best tools available to perform their mission successfully. Number 2. Columbia-class submarine. The Columbia-class submarine is the next generation of ballistic missile submarines, set to replace the Ohio-class subs. These submarines will form the backbone of the U.S. strategic deterrent, ensuring a robust and credible nuclear triad. The Columbia incorporates advanced stealth technologies, improved survivability, and enhanced operational capabilities. These submarines are designed to operate undetected in contested maritime environments, providing a secure and reliable platform for launching nuclear missiles. The Columbia's design emphasizes reduced acoustic signatures, advanced propulsion systems, and integrated electronic warfare capabilities. This next-generation submarine ensures the U.S. maintains a credible and effective sea-based deterrent capable of responding to strategic threats and maintaining global stability. The development of the Columbia also reflects a focus on sustainability and longevity, with design features intended to extend the operational life of the submarines and ensure their continued effectiveness in the face of evolving threats. Number 1. Advanced Battle Management System. The Advanced Battle Management System, or ABMS, is a system that integrates data from various platforms. It provides a comprehensive battlefield picture, enhancing decision-making and operational efficiency for the U.S. military. A BMS represents the future of command and control, leveraging artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced sensor fusion to deliver real-time situational awareness. This system integrates data from land, sea, air, and space-based sensors, providing a unified and coherent view of the battlefield. A BMS enables commanders to make informed decisions rapidly, coordinating actions across multiple domains and ensuring a synchronized response to emerging threats. This integrated approach enhances the effectiveness of U.S. military operations. The development and deployment of ABMS also reflect a commitment to maintaining superiority and ensuring that U.S. forces are fully equipped with the best possible tools to manage and dominate the battlefield. In conclusion, these cutting-edge weapons in 2024 mark a significant milestone of U.S. military capabilities. These advanced systems, from laser-based air defense to hypersonic missiles and next-generation stealth bombers, show the importance of technological innovation in maintaining military superiority. Each of these weapons represents a critical component of the U.S. defense strategy, ensuring that American forces remain agile, effective, and capable of responding to threats. As the future of warfare continues, these technologies will play a key role in shaping the battlefield. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on military technology.